I just came down from a great event in Horseheads, New York, in the southern tier of the Appalachians on the New York-Pennsylvania border, where very soon the next chapter of American high-speed rail is going to be written.
U.S. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer announced Siemens Mobility will build the first of its kind railcar manufacturing facility at Southern Tier Logistics Business Park on Wygant Road in Horseheads. The new building will be 300,000 square feet with an estimated $60 million investment and should bring about 300 good-paying jobs to the Southern Tier.
Maybe it'll make our town better too.
The facility will manufacture America's fastest high-speed train sets, the American Pioneer 220 or AP 220 for company Brightline West.
We're from Los Angeles, Nevada, Las Vegas.
The trains carry up to 450 passengers and make a trip from Las Vegas to Southern California in just 2 hours, half the time of a car. The first of its kind true high-speed rail production in North America will offer many manufacturing jobs like electromechanical assemblers, project management, test engineers, supply chain management, quality control, logistics employees, and more.
Maybe our little area down here would be more things, more fun things to do.
Locals like Amy are optimistic that the added industry will trickle down and help local business thrive while keeping younger residents here with a promising employment.
Most of the kids now, they'll go to college and then they go somewhere else. What if they stayed here?
But residents like Bob are a bit more skeptical.
Well, you got to get rid of the regulations first so businesses can survive. And the taxes will kill them too.
Siemens says that production at the new facility is expected to start in 2026. Sonia Ellison, Big Fox News, Horseheads.